Morning and welcome back to Break Hard Orchard. Yesterday we had a lot of success and we got our first post and beam truss put in. This has been no small chore. This is a really big deal for us. This is probably the hardest thing of the whole build. It's certainly what I've been agonizing about the most. So today we're going to keep pushing forward and try and build on that momentum. We have first thing I'm going to do is install another post right here. It'll match up with this post over here in the wall. Then we'll start working on assembling those beams into another truss to go right here. Just to bring everybody up, if you haven't seen this before, I'm using this Simpson Strong Tie post base. It raises part of the beam up by an inch. So I'm going to have to cut a notch out on the bottom of the post. That post is going to bear on the foundation wall and come into the cement floor. Too much off and it won't bear on the wall if I leave it like that, so I've got to go ahead and trim the other piece down so that it bears on the wall. After a few gyrations with the sizing on this, we're ready to go ahead and fasten this post to the SIPS panel. We're going to put a generous amount of SIP seal on both these surfaces here, both the OSB and right here on this 2x6.
Do you ever feel like you completely relax on
throwing a few raindrops on us and we get thunder and lightning, but it goes away. So we're just gonna keep pushing forward. We've put most of our tools away and we're gonna pull out what we need and just keep working. We're almost ready to put it together. I don't think we're gonna have time to put it up tonight, but we'll get it fully assembled. I don't even know if there's enough light for this right now, but that's it. That's all we got for the day. We put in a full 12-hour day today, and this is all we got done. We built another truss. We got the other post put in place. We're probably going to come up in the middle of the week after work, and that should give us plenty of time to go ahead and lift it up and put it in place. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Come on back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard. We'll be here.